I'm back again, Shadi Shaffer from the Asset Protection and Elder Law Center. Okay, this one is definitely a hot topic. So it's the internet world. Why can't I just go online and get my trust done, my estate plan done online? Well, to answer that question, pretty simply is you can. You can go online and get your estate plan done. Here's the thing though. A lot of the estate planning companies or these online options, I don't want to use the name because I don't want to disparage the online companies and these online document preparation options, but you will notice that if you listen to their commercials carefully on the radio, it says legal plans instructed by you or controlled by you. One of the things that they're trying to say is an attorney is not necessarily helping you put those documents in place. And so it's a program that you go online and you click buttons. But here's the thing, a lot of times, most of the time, people don't know what they need and what they don't need. And they also don't really understand the legalities of each state. So for example, in California, a will has to be signed, dated, and witnessed by two people over the age 18. One of the things I've seen from these online services from clients is that the husband, the father, did his will and got it notarized. And so right there, that will now is not legally valid. And I actually took that man's home and assets through probate because that will didn't work. By the way, a will alone will not avoid probate. That's another misunderstanding that I've covered in my other videos. But I want to focus right now on, can I get my plan done online? Yes, you can. Just remember, there's a lot of different parts to it. It's not just getting a will. You need a trust if you have property or you have assets over $150,000, $60,000. And a lot of times these online companies will not necessarily guide you in that. Here's another huge thing to keep in mind. You can get this beautiful plan, but who's going to be there to make sure you're signing it properly, notarizing it properly? This document has to be witnessed. This document's notarized. So that's another thing that happens that's a huge concern. But my biggest concern as a trust attorney now for 17 years is that you can have this amazing plan in place. You could sign it, notarize it, witness it properly under the laws of California. However, or another state. However, who's there to help you put the assets under the trust, okay, or under the plan? So this is important, and these are things that people take for granted. I always tell clients, it is not smart to save $1,000 or $2,000. Don't get me wrong. I don't come from a family of money. I'm self-made, first in my family to go to college, first to go to law school. I get it. Nobody wants to write that check. It's not an easy check to write. However, I'm here to tell you that it is worth every penny. Why? Because probate, just the entry fee is $3,000 on average, and the total probate fees that you pay in the end is tens of thousands of dollars. We're talking, my average probate is $15,000 to $20,000 and sometimes $30,000. So it's not worth it to save $1,000 or $2,000 and go online and not get it done right. So I'm just expressing that be educated, understand the entire process, and make sure that the documents are not only designed and drafted properly and then signed and notarized and witnessed properly, but the assets then are also transferred under the plan properly. Otherwise, you're still going to go through the probate court system. All right, thanks for listening. Shadi Shaffer, Asset Protection, Elder Law Center.